Welcome back to my iBlog, where I have the opportunity to give you a professional advice. Today we are talking about safety on the road, how to keep it safe on the road. Very important because a lot of our children are getting run over by the car. Now I want to tell you a personal story about myself. I was got run over by a truck. How did that happen? My father is like a daddy to me. He said to me a very important thing. When I cross the road, I need to look left, look right, and look left again. And then I cross the road. When I did that, I got into an accident. I got run over by the truck. I ended up in the ICU because I can't see you. But it's a very true story. So I want you to look after yourself. Remember, don't go bungee jumping with a chain. Don't play on the road. Don't play on the driveway because that driveway is for the car. And when you play in the water, don't get wet. I hope you're all right. Take after yourself and take after myself. Thank you very much. God bless. Fresh TV is number 3.